sa liga na to, 40 above. Yan, mga yan.
To JR Aquino kasi alam ni JR Aquino paano i-break yan. The pass inside, Olyanagi. Labas muna dito. Malabanan. Gilbert. Oh, matchup. This is a mismatch. Malabanan kontra Jose.
Good pass.
Marcella muna, nilabas muna dito. Shot
Yan.
of 3. No good. Rebound by
Yun
De Los
lang.
Reyes.
Naubos na yung oras na nagkaroon pa ng offensive rebound. That's bad for AMB.
Marcella naman. Fakes it. Goes inside.
Yun.
No, nice move there by Marcella. Para hindi makuha ni JR Aquino yun. The foul will be called on number 45. Marcella matatawagan doon.
Yeah.
States as they have overtook this game 24-13 sa ating pagbabalik. Second quarter of action dito sa inyong Sinag Liga Lakas 40.
Hurt sila ng slow, so again, knowing Santa Rosa Lions Saints, tinake advantage nila.
Quarters of this ball game. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Alvin.
Sinasabi nga ni Penelope, hear the Lions roar, and it looks like they are roaring well here in the first half of play. Reymas Marcella.
Kailangan nila yun kasi medyo nagiging sloppy na yung offense nila eh.
De Los Reyes to Marcella. Right side.
Good fake.
Nice fake doon. Nandun dalawang defenders. Marcella pass. 3 ball on the way. That's money. And Michael Tanyegra.
Yeah, that's easy back. Pagpalitan ka eh, tapos malaki yung yung lead ng kalaban eh.
Inside, malaban. Oh, nice pass. Boyasi. Ganda ng pasahan eh, no?
Oo. Basang-basang na nila. Yeah, this is gonna be another problem eh. Same problem na tulad sa last game natin eh. Kailangan able ka dumefend without fouling eh. Kasi ang hirap talaga once na maging 3 or 4 yung team fouls mo eh.
As we take a look at some of the fans here inside the One Arena, dalawang sunod na araw tayo dito. Bukas, nandito muli tayo.
Yes.
For our